Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential topic: how to reinstall the Telegram app. Whether you're facing issues, need to free up space, or just want a fresh start, reinstalling Telegram can help. Let's walk through the quick and easy steps together so you can get back to chatting with your friends and family in no time. Step 1. First, we need to uninstall the Telegram app. Start by locating the Telegram icon on your device. Press and hold the icon until you see the uninstall option appear. Easy, right? Now, tap on uninstall and confirm your choice to remove the app from your device. Step 2. Now it's time to reinstall Telegram. Head over to your app store. Use the search bar to type in Telegram. Once the search results populate, tap on the Telegram app you see listed there. Next, find the Install button and give it a tap to begin downloading and installing the application once again. Step 3. After the installation process is complete, you're ready to open the app. Just click on the Telegram icon, and you'll be guided through the on-screen instructions to set up your account again. It's quick and straightforward, so you'll be back to messaging in no time. We hope this guide makes reinstalling Telegram a breeze for you. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy chatting!